So, hello and welcome back, and in this video we're going to be making a 60-degree dovetail cutter, which is going to take a small carbide insert. Now this is part one, where we get to this stage here where we've got the blank machined up out of a bit of steel. Now in the second stage we just need to machine out this bit here so we can actually put the insert in, but that'll be in the second part. So I hope you So that's the shank turned down to 16mm, and that's an ER25 16mm collet, and it's a nice fit all the way down. Now I machined it with the CCMT, a little insert there with a slight radius on the end, and I used that just to put a small radius in there. Now how I'm going to machine the dovetail part is by reversing it in the collet chuck. Now in the ideal world I'd have done it all in one setup if I had slightly more material, but you know, we're working with a lump of scrap here, so we've got to work with what we got. So I'll set the collet chuck up and with it the other way around, machining it from the shank, and if anything it should be just as accurate because that's where it's going to be held from when we're machining it. So the lathe's, all the swarf's gone, and then the collet chuck's just going to mount in the taper there, but we've got to clean it all out first and yeah, fit the chuck out the mill into the lathe because we don't have a collet chuck to go off the spindle. That's the chuck in the spindle, and I'm just pulling it tight with a piece of threaded bar there. It's up like a draw bar, just with a washer on the end, and that's it pulled up into the taper. So that's the blank in the collet chuck in the spindle. The spindle locks in, so it should be good just to snug it up now. Now you should only do this if you're a spindle lock, because if you use the back gears, so that lever there, you'll probably break. So this is the tool I did all the heavy turning with. It's got a T10 screw holding it in. It's an 8mm square shank with a CCMT insert, so I'll take that out mechanically. So there you can see it's actually got quite a big radius on it for a small tool, and we got a good finish with it. So I roughed it out with the carbide tool, and I've got a ground high speed tool in there.